and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here also we have taken another sum of orthographic and will solve it using Tinkercad software. So first we'll click on new design. So this is the image which we have to draw. We can rename it from this place. Now this is the front view. The width is 90, the depth is 70 and the height is 55. So according to these dimensions, first we will select a solid shape. We'll change the dimensions 90, depth 70 and height 55. Now this is the whole block which will require. Now we have to cut it according to the shapes. You can start it from anywhere. I'll start it from this place. This width of 70 we have to cut. So for that, first I'll select a box, the shape of a hole. According to the dimensions, 70, 25. You have to place it here. The height given is 15. Once these dimensions are done, we'll place it on the top. Place it here. The distance is 10 apart from the back side. So first we'll align it at the center, top and the back side. Then we'll move it front at a distance of 10. Writing here 10, it will move forward at a distance of 10. Now group this. I'll realign it, then group. So this part has been cut. Moving to the next part, this semicircular part, the radius given is 25. So we'll select a cylinder with a diameter of 50. First we'll rotate it 90 degree. Change its dimensions. The radius is 25. So we'll select the diameter as 50. The depth is 45. Align it at the back side, at the top side. Now we have to move this. It is at the center, at the thickness of 45. We have to move it upward at it is a semicircle. So at a distance of 30 above. Will give me the half portion at the center. Now just we have to group it. This part has been cut. After this part, moving to the next part. This part has been cut. The height is 30 and the width is 20. So for this also we'll consider a box, the shape of a hole. So total length is 90. This height is 30 and the depth is 20. And depth is already 20, so we don't have to change that. we'll place it here at the top, and from the 45 apart, total depth is 70. This is 20, total is 70. So calculating this, we'll be able to move it behind at a distance of 5. So move it behind at a distance of 5. After grouping, we don't want this part also, so we'll just increase the dimension. This you can increase it as much as you want, as you want to cut the entire part. Control A, select all, and then group. Now this part has been sliced. Now further, there is a small box at the center also. The height is 10. From other sides it is 20, 20 left. Total is 90. So the center part is 50. So we'll consider a box with the shape of a hole. This will be 50. Height will be 10. And the depth is also 10 from this part. So we'll just move it backwards to a depth of 10, as there is also a slant line. Now we'll move this backward. After this, now we have to cut this slant part. So for that also you can consider any shape. I'll consider this shape block. We'll rotate this at an angle and we'll cut this part. I have to adjust a little bit for the angle. From the bottom it is 10, and from the back side, left side, it is 10 also. You have to cut that part. Aligning this, and we can group it. So this part has been sliced. And your figure is done. Now for the front view, top view and the side view, our image. It has been properly drawn. This is our solution, which I have already drawn it manually. You can check that out. So for the front view, first we'll switch to orthographic view. So this is the front view. The semicircular part, the slot, the lines can be seen properly. This is the top view. So from here you can see the semicircular part looks like a straight line from the top view. The slots, the small gap, how it is. This gap you can see. In manual draw, we have to take it from the side view, the projection. Now for the left hand side view. So hope so this is clear to all how you have to draw the figures and its front view, top view and the side view. Switching it back to the perspective view. So with this, I have done with the explanation. You can just observe the figure from all the sides, how it looks. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next lecture.